To transfer crypto from Revolut to a wallet, you need to have a Revolut account and a crypto wallet. First, open your Revolut app and navigate to the crypto section. Here, you will see a list of the cryptocurrencies you hold. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on it. Next, click on the transfer button, and you will be prompted to enter the recipient address. This is the address of the wallet where you want to transfer your crypto. Make sure to copy and paste the address correctly to avoid any mistakes. Before proceeding, ensure that the wallet you are transferring to supports the cryptocurrency you are sending. Also, be aware of any transfer fees that may apply. Once you have entered the recipient address, you will be asked to confirm the transfer. Review the details carefully and make sure everything is correct before confirming. After confirming, the transfer will be processed, and your crypto will be sent to the wallet. This may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the network congestion. It is essential to keep in mind that crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check the recipient address before confirming the transfer. Also, be aware of any tax implications that may arise from transferring crypto. In addition, consider setting up two-factor authentication on your Revolut account and crypto wallet to add an extra layer of security. This will help protect your accounts from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily transfer crypto from Revolut to a wallet. Always prioritize security and be cautious when dealing with crypto transactions.